Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our lesson is multiplying fractions by a mixed number. Okay, let us start and learn how we can multiply a mixed number by fraction. Okay, let's go. My dear student, you know the mixed number. It is a number that consists of two parts, the whole part and the fraction part. Okay, actually you cannot multiply directly here. Okay, you have to do something, which is the first way we have to learn. The first way, you have to use or to do something here for the mixed number, and you have to know there are a relation between a mixed number and the improper fraction, and you can convert it to improper fraction. How come? See, we have to draw this sign here and the multiplication and plus. And how we can do this or execute it? You just multiply the 3 by the 2, then you add 2. So the first step, I will convert this to improper fraction. I draw this line. Okay, I copy this down here. Okay, and then I multiply the 3 by the 2, then I add 2, which equal 8. Now this guy will be or equal this improper fraction. Okay, my dear student, and then I will write 4 over 5 as it is. By the way, this is 4, okay? Don't confuse. Okay, now we are here. As you know how to multiply fractions. You multiply up with up and down with down. I know you know, my dear student. So 8 by 4 equal 32, and 3 by 5 equal 15. Good. Now you think you are finished. Actually, you almost finished. But if you remember, every time you get answer in a fraction, you have to check if it is written in simplest form or not. So what we have to do, teacher, you have to call the magic numbers, the 2, the 3, the 5, and the 7. Now you have to check if the 32 work with the 2 here. Yes, and here in the same time. Okay, so 32 divided by 2 give me 16, and 32, no, 15 divided by 2 is not work, so we cannot use it. Okay, let us ask the 3 here. It does not work, but it is here, but it's work here, so we have to make sure it is work with up and down, and actually it is written in simplest form. Okay, nothing work up and down in the same time. So in this situation, and as you know, if the number up is bigger than the number down, okay, you know, the fraction with the big head, yes, so you have to ask the golden question, which is, please, yes, which is how many. Okay, let us ask how many 15 in 32. Yes, it is 2. You write 2 and draw this line and copy this, the denominator here, okay, and draw this multiplication. Now 15 multiplied 2 equal 30. Yes, equal 15 by 2. Yes, I multiply 15 by 2. It is equal 30. How many steps I need from 30 to where? Yes, to reach the 32. Yes, it is only 2 steps. So we write 2 steps here. So the answer is 2 whole and 2 over 15. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Okay, me too. Now we finish from this, let us take one more example. Again and again. The first step, we convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So I need to multiply, then add. Okay, so I draw this line and then I execute what I decide to do, which is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1, which equal 10 over 3. Okay, okay, let me repeat it again. Don't confuse, my dear student. If you have a mixed number and you need to multiply it with a fraction, first step, you have to convert the mixed number into fraction. Which type of fraction? The improper fraction. So I copy this, I draw this line as you see here. Okay, good. Then I copy this here. Okay, I take one copy of it, which is 3 now. Then I multiply 3 by 3, then add 1, which equal 10. Okay, now I'm ready to multiply. And you know how to multiply a fraction, by the way. How we multiply it? Up with up, down with down. Easy, teacher. Yes, it is equal 30 over 24. Okay, we come here. Okay, can we simplify this? Now you have to ask the magic number. Okay, I will bring the 2 and ask it. Okay, calm down. Okay, I bring that again. It is crazy a little bit, but please forgive me. Again, I will not use this tool. Okay, I asked the 2, by the way, and I will check if it is work up and down, and you know it is work up and down. So divide by 2, which equal 15 over 12. Again, I will ask it's work with 2 now. No, the 15 not working, so I'm done from it. Now I ask the 3, and the 3 look like happy because it is work with the 15 and work with the 12, and 15 divided 3 equal 5, and 12 divided 3 equal, yes, 4. So I erase everything, I clean everything. Okay, but the eraser not working now, so let me do something. I will fix it with this. Okay, now I hope it's work. Now we come back here, my dear student. We reach to this step. I clean now. Okay, 5 over 4, big head fraction. Big head fraction. Okay, so we ask directly how many 4 in 5. It is 1, teacher. I draw this line, I copy this here, and sorry, again I copy this here and do the multiplication directly. 4 by 1 equal 4, and I ask the 4 how many steps you need to reach the 5. It is only 1 step I need, so I write 1 here. So the answer, it is 1 and 1 over 4. Okay, my dear student. Okay, good. Let me come back to the question here and tell you something, or a secret, small secret. Boys, if you have a same number up and down, do you have any same number up and down? Yes, the 3, teacher. The 3 up, I have 3 up and 3 down. So you can eliminate this and write 1, and eliminate this and write 1. Okay, good. Now 10 multiplied by 1 equal 10. And 1 multiply 8 equal 8. Now, how many 8 in 10? Yes, it is 1. I draw this. Before this, okay, can I simplify it before I do this? Actually, we have to check with the magic numbers. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, now how many? Okay, if the we check if the 2 is working with the 10 and the 8. Clearly it works, so directly we divide by 2. We divide by 2, and this give me 5, and this give me 4, and this give me 1 and 1 over 4, as you see before. Okay, my dear student, you need one more example. Okay, in your book, my dear student, before the example, in your book they give you another way to multiply 2 and 2 over 3 multiply by 4 over 5. There are another way, yes, because this guy, it is 2 plus 2 over 3. Okay, if you read it, it is 2 and 2 over 3, and meaning plus. Okay, multiply, we put it in parentheses, multiply by 4 over 5. Then we use the distributive property, you know it. The 4 over 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, let us do it. 2 multiply by 4 over 5. You know how to multiply the whole number by fraction. Up with up and down with down. Teacher, but the 2 has nothing, so because of that I put 1. Okay, now it is 8 over 5. Okay, keep this. Okay, we finish? No, you have to multiply again the 4 over 5 by 2 over 3. Let's go. Now we will multiply 4 over 5 or 2 over 3, the same thing. Okay, 4 over 5. Up with up, down with down, it is equal 8 over 15. Now I collect this with this. Okay, so it is 8 over 5 plus 8 over 15. And as you know, we cannot add until we make the 5 like the 15, so I need to multiply by 3 by 3, so it will be 24 over 15. Now I can add, yes, it is equal 32 over 15. Okay, my dear student, and you remember how we do this. How many 15 in 32? It is 2 and 15 here and 2 here, as we did before. Okay, so it is a different way but the same answer. But my advice to you to use the first one, okay, because it is more public than this way. Okay, this way actually need more work. One more example, and we stick with the old way. I will not confuse you, my dear student, and do this one. So it is 1 and 1 over 4 multiply by 4 over 5. Okay, as we learned before, we have to convert this to improper fraction, so I draw this and copy this here. Okay, and do the multiplication, then the addition. So 4 by 1, 4 plus 1, 5, so 5 over 4. Multiply what? 4 over 5. If you see here, so this is 4, okay, my dear student? Okay, as you see here, I have 4 up and 4 down. In this case, you have to be happy. Why, teacher? Because you can cancel them. Okay, I cancel this with this, good. And what I have to write instead of them? 1 and 1 here. Good. Teacher, we have also 5 down and 5 up. Can I eliminate them? Yes, my dear student. But under one condition. You have to write 1 instead of each one. Good. Which is good. Okay. Now multiply up with up. So I will erase this. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Now I have 1 by 1 equal 1. And 1 and 1 equal 1. And as you know, 1 over 1 equal 1 whole. Okay? Are you happy with that? Let us take one more example. I will not take more time, okay, but actually it is up to you. If you got the point, go forward and practice. Okay, go forward and practice. Check your understand. You can do it alone without any hesitating. Okay, my dear student, it just to help you and make sure you get the point. Again and again and again. The mixed number must convert it to improper fraction. How we convert it? I draw this line. I copy the denominator here. Okay. Then I do the multiplication and the addition in this direction. Okay. 5 by 2 equal 10 plus 2 equal 12. Great. Okay, multiply by 2 over 3. Good. Now, can I do this? Yes. Okay, do you have any similar number up and down? Actually, no. Okay, but remind me if you finish this, if I finish this, to learn you something advanced. Okay, let's go. Up with up, teacher, yes, and down with down. Okay, my dear student, I know you know, but you have to be patient. Okay, so over 15. Now we go to the respected magic numbers and ask them, hello magic numbers, can you help me to find out if this fraction written in simplest form or not? The two said, yes, I can help you because I'm working with the 24, but I'm not working with the 15, so cancel me. And the 3 said, okay, I can help you to tell you I'm working with the 24 and the 15 in the same time. Good, so go ahead and divide. So divide by 3, which equal 8 over 5. Okay, now if you go and check the magic number again, you will figure out nothing work with both 8 and 5. So this is the the simplest form, but it is a big head fraction. You see, his big is greater than or bigger than his legs. Okay, so you need to use the magic or the golden question, which is how many 5 in 8? It is 1. and I draw this line and copy this guy here and do the multiplication and say 5 multiply 1 equal 5. How many steps I need from the 5 to what? Yes, the 8. I need 3 steps, so write 3 here. We done. It is 1 and 3 over 5. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, my dear student, this is the answer. Now come back here. Why I erase everything? I said to you, remind me to do something here. Okay, let me learn you something new. Okay, you can add it in your to your skills, my dear student. If you have like this, okay, there is no similar number, but you know that if you factorize the 12 into 4 and 3, it was 12, remember, huh? So the 12 come from 3 multiply 4. Yes, 3 multiply 4. Okay, now you have up a similar number. Yes, you have up a 3 and down 3. So you can eliminate this 3 and this 3. Okay, it is extra. Okay, my dear student. Okay, if you accept it, it is good. Okay, now I can erase this guy and this guy. Okay, and the one, it is identity number in multiplication, so you can erase it also. And this one I will keep it also here because I need to multiply up with up and down with down. Now multiply up with up, down with down, it is 8 over 5. You remember this number, yes? And you remember how we write it as a mixed number. It is 1 and 3 over 5. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you get all the benefits, my dear student, and you know now how to multiply a mixed number by a fraction. Goodbye.